Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
See, it is up to the government has to decide what has to be done. After Delhi and Maharashtra going mask free, I think so most of the states in India will follow it. But my concern is simple. I'll give you a small example. British Airways went mask free on March 16th. They operated flights without mask, and now the present situation of a British Airways crew is such that they are unable to operate the flight because n number of people have got COVID, including the staff, the cabin crew. So considering this example and considering the fact that the first case of Omicron XE is detected in Mumbai from an international traveller coming to Mumbai yesterday, I think so it will be a bit too early to call ourselves COVID free. We don't know how the scenario might be. We have used masks for 2 years. I think so for some more time we should persist wearing masks. That's my personal decision. It's finally up to the government to decide whether we should go mask free or not mask free.
International flights coming in from other states, and you just gave an example of British Airways. You think going mask free could have its own disadvantages?
Yes, definitely, because now with the government adopting the policy that no RT-PCR needed with the people who are double vaccinated, the agreement signed between certain countries that you don't need a test on arrival. So what is going to make a big difference is the mask. So I would personally advise the mask should be there, at least for the people who are coming in the flights and here also, at least for some more time, maybe for another 6 months, definitely till we continue to have zero cases throughout India. In fact, Goa is doing wonderfully well. We are getting 2 to 4 cases, even some days have gone with 0 cases. So if we continue this for a long period of time, definitely will help. In proved earlier also that wearing masks, the transmissibility of the disease or the virus from one person to another person, if both of us are wearing masks, is hardly less than 2%. So if both of us are wearing masks, we don't get the disease at all. Even one of us has got the infection with us. So the advantage is always there. Another thing which we have seen now with the mask, the incidence of tuberculosis also has been reduced drastically, at least in the state of Goa. Also, the people who are getting exposed to dust and getting attacks of bronchial asthma has been reduced after wearing masks. So there are certain advantages. One should not just get rid of the mask just because people are saying that okay, now COVID is over. COVID is not over. COVID is going to stay for some time. We are going to get tourists from all over the India with an international flight opening up. Chances of infection increasing are quite high. So I personally feel that mask should be there, and it's up to the government to decide whether we should go mask free or not.
So you think it's too early? It is too early for us to go mask free?
Yes, I personally feel that we should continue with the mask.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.